Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great and feeling fresh today. Dear students, today we are going to talk about the months of the year and the seasons of the year. How many months and how many seasons there are in a year. How to ask about them. How to answer those questions. And finally, how to write them correctly. Let's begin. Months of the year. Dear students, there are 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year, dear students. You should learn their correct pronunciation and memorize them as well. Now, let's learn how to ask about the month in English. To ask about the months of the year, use the following question. For example, what month is this? That means which month is it? It is enough to learn this question so you can ask about any month of the year, dear students. So now let's learn how to answer it. To answer these questions, we can use the following structure. For example, it is June, it is July, and so on. That means we first say it is, followed by the name of the month. Important note. Never translate names of the months, dear students. It means you should never translate the names of the months into another language. Why? Because there are geographical and cultural differences between regions and the months may not match exactly. Well, now let's talk about writing rule. My friends, when writing, always capitalize the first letter of the month. This is a writing rule in English that must be followed. For example, it is July, that's correct. It is July incorrect. As we can see in the first sentence, the first letter is capitalized, so it is correct. In the second sentence, the first letter is lowercase, which is incorrect. Well, I hope you learned this lesson carefully and that you'll also practice it. In the next video, dear friends, we will talk about the seasons of the year. Now we have a practice page. Write the correct answer using it is. For example, what month is this? We can say it is February. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. Ali, hi Sarah, what month is this? Sarah, hello Ali, it is April. Ali, oh great, I love April, it is spring here. Sarah, yes, the weather is nice and warm. Ali, how many months are there in a year? Sarah, there are 12 months. Ali, can you name them? Sarah, sure. January, February, March, April, and so on. Ali, that is perfect. Do you like summer? Sarah, yes, I love summer holidays in July and August. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Month. There are 12 months in a year. Season. We have 4 seasons in a year. Spring. Spring is a beautiful season with flowers. Summer. I go swimming in the summer. Winter. It snows a lot in the winter. Autumn or fall. Leaves fall from trees in autumn. Holiday. My favorite month is July because of the holidays. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1 hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.